Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. Crypto Patrick here. We are going to take a look in today at some altcoins and just take a look at the market in general and see which coins are good to invest in and just different ones that are on the rise right now while the market, it's coming back a little bit. We're at $567 billion. It's still not up to that $750 billion market yet. It's still about 50 to 60% down. We're seeing Bitcoin a little bit higher, finding stability around like 11,000. If you guys look right here on the all-time highs of the market, we did have an all-time high for everyone new to this channel watching of about $829 billion. Now it's kind of, it's dipped back down. It hit that low point of resistance. This is like the lowest point of 432 billion, and now we're finding it's like slowly kind of creeping back up to 560. But I don't think we're going to see the market bounce back till about mid-March to April, around tax season, when there's a lot of cash infused back in the market. We'll start seeing a lot more people spending money. But let's take a look at it right now, guys. Looking at the market right now, we have Bitcoin. It's $11,602. And for all you people new to my channel watching right now, make sure you guys hit that like button because it goes a long way on YouTube. If you find my videos entertaining, if you get anything good out of them, definitely, hitting that like button really helps out. So, and also if you guys subscribe, I do daily news videos. Yesterday on every Friday, I do a giveaway on Ripple or different coins that I, mine. Like right now I'm doing, I do LITECOIN giveaways too. So make sure you guys hit a comment down below with your Ripple address on this video and other ones. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm getting a lot of subscribers. It's really cool. You guys are awesome. You guys are all awesome. So yeah, looking into it right now, we got Bitcoin. It's at $11,609. Still a pretty, the market cap's at 195 billion. I predict, when the market bounces back, this is definitely going to hit, a 2x opportunity. We're going to see probably, I think a 30,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2018. I think the market will hit, $2 trillion. That's a big thing. And looking at other coins right now, let's look at, I think I want to look at Binance coin because I think this one right here has a lot of potential. Looking at Binance coin, guys, it's at $13.38. I know with Binance coin, we've hit like an all-time high of what was it, 13 or I can't remember. Let me look right now on the map. But I know we had a lot going on with Binance. I think it was $24.70. Yeah, $24. Here's one of the all-time highs right here, $24.50 on January 12th, and then it kind of creeped back down to $19. Then it went to $12.50. Now it kind of found stability around this $13 mark. I think this is a really good buy, guys. This Binance coin, if you guys don't know what Binance is and you're first watching it right now, you're first like hearing about this is where I do a lot of my exchanges. I buy Ripple on here. You have to buy they have like a minimum amount of, say if you bought Ripple, you have to buy about 30 of them. On Bittrex, you can buy a little less. But Binance is a really good place to buy things. Here's the whole exchange. I'm not going to sign in right now, but they have a basic and advanced one. I'm also going to do a swing trade video, guys. If you guys are watching this, to show you guys how to swing trade. But you can look up coins on here. I think this is the Walmart superstore of coins. So when you go on Binance right here, they have like all the top coins, guys, like everything you want to look. If you want to search for one, you can just come right here, say like XRP to Bitcoin, and you can come right here and buy and sell. It's basically like the superstore of cryptos. You can search them all right here if you want to find one. I'll kind of enlarge this for you so you can see what's going on here. But I think this coin is not going to go anywhere right now. This is a really good coin to invest in. At $13 and seeing that all-time high of $24, this thing will definitely, when the market goes back to 800 billion again, or 750 billion, closing that 1 trillion, I think we are going to see a pretty big high of this one, like probably $30, $40. And if you look at right now, the market cap it's at $1 trillion right now. So I think we can see, I think this one will hit $10 billion in 2018 because if they start adding a lot of like new coins, and I think just the exchange in general got overloaded. People couldn't even sign up because so many people were trying to sign up. So this could even hit, like in the future, like 10 years from now, this could have like $100 billion market cap. This coin is a really good one to invest in. I would recommend it, guys. If you guys are watching this right now, get in a Binance coin. It's too, this, you don't want to buy on the ups, but if the market dips a little bit, then I would buy around, anything below. Let's look at the chart right now. I'll show you guys on the 7-day. Okay, so look right here. Whenever you're looking at this, it's $13. This is a point of resistance right here at this 1247 or 1232. So anything under 1232, I would buy up, guys. That's the first form of resistance that we have right here. So it'll probably be about like $11, $10. I would snatch up Binance coin because this coin is not going anywhere. This is a long-term hold. It'll be good in the future. You know, we just saw their basically their exchange, and their exchange is really good. It's really similar to Bittrex, but even lower fees. So that's good. And then the next one I want to show you, I've gone over this one before, but let's just look at Neblio's price. All right, here's Neblio. It's $20.28 right now. I think it had a high of, I believe it was $60. You can look right on here on the month high. And that wasn't even that long ago. If you look right here, it was like, yeah, there's $63 on January 9th. So that wasn't even that long ago, guys. It's like a month ago. And then we had this huge dip when the market, took a crash right now. So now it's $19.74. I think this one is definitely going to do good. It has a, good utility. A lot of people don't know about Neblio. I've done a couple videos on it. And I just think this is a really good one. It's open source blockchain for businesses. They're kind of designing open source products for enterprise businesses. It's decentralized and secure. They have their token. We are building a blockchain developer network centered around a simple API tools and services, helps you develop and deploy your next generation distributed applications. So they're just helping different businesses, and I think this one, it's like the utility is good. Their team behind it's good. You can look right here. They have a lot going on. Learn about the technology. Applications utilize inherently secure distributed database. There's just a lot of good things being showed up here. 100% proof of stake network. They're just a really legit company. It's scalable. I believe in Neblio. I think this is going somewhere in the future. This is definitely a good one to hold. It's if you look at the price right now at $20, anything under $20, any little dip you see over here would probably be a good buy. It's pretty healthy at $20. A lot of the currencies are kind of not moving right now for the last 7 days. Nothing really has been happening in the market. I think a $60 to $100 Neblio is definitely in the future for 2018. They have a decent team. They have a marketing run that they said they're doing in Q2. I think it's on their website if you guys want to look at it. I was looking at the roadmap earlier. Let me see if I can pull it up for you guys. I think it's on here. Yeah, they have a roadmap on their website where it showed in their Q2 report. But you guys can look on here. Here's the roadmap. Let's look at it right here. Let's scroll down. The market shows a simple blockchain solution for business. I have Neblio's born. First half, Q2, Neblio token, acquired talent, Q4. So yeah, you can kind of look at this Neblio, but this is what I do whenever I go on any coin I'm going to invest in. I come in here and look at their roadmap and see where they're going. Look at marketing campaign in Q2 about to launch. Enterprise marketing campaign, creative have driven initial adoption for Neblio blockchain technology and business environment. Strategies to enhance relationships for enterprises. So yeah, Neblio, you guys, this when their marketing run goes away, I think we can see a lot more more cash is infused in the market. We'll see this one go up too. Another one I always take a look at. Let's take a look at LITECOIN. Let me just click out of this one. And LITECOIN is a one I mine, guys. I'm mining on Genesis Mining. They're currently out of contracts for anything but Ethereum. But that's why I promote BITCLUB. It's just way higher paying. You actually have a GPU in your name. It's just a better solution in general. Let me see if my Exodus is pulling up. Sometimes it doesn't pull up for some reason. Okay, let me see if I can pull this up real quick here. I want to show you guys what I do with LITECOIN. It's currently 182. I mean, we saw a high, you guys, of LITECOIN of 380. LITECOIN is a really good coin. I do videos on it all the time. Low transaction fees. They have a LitePay debit card coming out pretty soon. I think, and that's coming out on February 1st. So this is coming out really soon, and you're gonna be able to use this just like a BitPay debit card. And if you come to one of my wallets right here, I'll just show you kind of what I've been doing with LITECOIN and how I've been mining it. So I think LITECOIN is definitely a future coin to kind of watch out for the future. Let's look right here. Okay, 15 hours ago. If you look, I just get all these little LITECOIN payouts. I already took out like $300 in LITECOIN, but these are just some of the little payouts that have been happening every day. I get like a couple bucks each day. And here's the debit card they have coming out right now. accept businesses for your payments, turn your Litecoin into dollars anywhere, just like BitPay debit card. If you guys don't know what BitPay debit card is, there's me getting some Litecoin right now. Look at a few seconds ago, now it's 793. So you can see that in the video. You know, I mine Litecoin and I mine Bitcoin with BitClub network. So that's why I'll show you guys a video at the end over here of how I do BitClub. But this is going to be exactly like BitPay, guys. So you can order your card anywhere, order free. Once your ID has been verified, we'll ship your card to your address. You know, the BitPay debit card has a, if you look, it has a Visa logo on it. I'm actually holding it right now. I think my wallet's over here. You know, it's in my wallet right now. I use it all the time. Let me pull it out. Let me just cover the card number. This is the BitPay debit card. You guys can get it in the mall. I think LitePay is going to be the exact same. You can pull out money. You can pull out cash in the ATM. Now you're not going to have to use this expensive Bitcoin where you're like getting hit with fees. So you can accept payments anywhere. They're actually starting to use Bitcoin Cash too. So Bitcoin Cash is another one that I'm kind of looking into. But yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep looking at the market. So here's Litecoin. If you guys don't know what it is, and you're just new to this channel, so basically I do news videos on this all the time, but it's a globalized, decentralized blockchain technology. They have a bunch of huge partners. You know, it works on all these different platforms right here. BlackBerry, Litecoin can be purchased and sold on exchange. It's on like exchanges everywhere. It's just a really big coin, guys. I see the potential, you know, going back to 380, a $400 Litecoin when the market bounces back easily. So this is definitely a good potential. It has a relatively low supply, a low circulating supply. Look at 84 million, guys. That's not even that much at all if you think about it. 54 million in circulating supply. We got a $10 billion market cap. Obviously, a lot of people like Litecoin, so it's a really good one. So definitely one to keep a watch on. Always keep a watch on Litecoin. Really good one. If you guys can get in Genesis mining with a contract for it, I would definitely get in it. But I would do Bitcoin way before that with BitClub Network. But this is the only one I'm mining now on Genesis. And it's only because I got in before all the contracts went out. And so that's one to watch. Let's look right here. If you guys can kind of see, nothing's been happening on it in the last, well, even in the last month. I'll just show you what's been happening. So we saw a high of 310 on January 6th, and then it kind of slowly dipped down and reached this 179 mark, and then got down here. This would be the line of resistance, 142. I don't think it's, you know, it might go back down to that. It's 182 right now. If it goes down to 130, buy some up for sure. You don't want to buy on these like huge dips right here, but if it goes past this line of resistance, that's where I would buy. I would even buy it, you know, right now too, because it will hit 380. That's about a 2x opportunity. If it hits that 400 again, we could see, you know, it's very possible we could see like a $500 to $600 Litecoin, maybe even 1,000 by the end of 2018 if this market cap goes up to 2 trillion, which it could easily do, guys. The market is just in a downturn right now. So that's one to watch out right now. Obviously, I just did a video on Tron TRX. That's always a good one. 8 days ago, it was 11 cents. You know, February to early March, we could see that. I think it's going to hit 20 cents again. If you're a swing trader, this is a really good one. You know, anything over 25 cents, I would start selling. It's at 6 cents right now. But this is definitely the 3 to 4x opportunity. There's a lot going on. It went to space recently. I just did a video on this. Like, they just partners with SpaceD. It's like a big company in China, like SpaceX. So that's really good. I think you can 2x your money, double your money here easily. I mean, look at the month chart of Tron. Look right here, guys. We saw a high of 27 cents, about 30 cents on January 5th. Then it dipped back down to that low over here of 5 cents. Kind of went to 9 cents, and it's just been kind of stable about 6 cents. And this whole week, everything's been pretty stable. I think we're going to see the whole market come back around February to early March. You know, April, tax season for sure. So once that happens, that is our 2 to 3x opportunity, guys. That's why this is a good one to do right now. It's not bad. If we look at Wax, there's another one I want to show you. And Wax had an all-time high of $2.70. And I think not even that long ago, like a week ago or a few days ago, it was about $1.20. Now it's at 90 cents. This could be a potential really good buy. If you look right here, here's kind of like some of the highs, 270. Now it found stability around 90 cents. Look at this dip that was right here, though. It was about 103. And now we are, yeah, we're just kind of hitting that right there. I think this is a good one. If you guys don't know what Wax is, I'll just show you their website real quick. Definitely a good one to watch. We're just going to kind of go over some of the ones. I want to go to, it's a globalized, decentralized marketplace for virtual assets. So basically you can buy skins like on World of Warcraft and different things like OPIC skins. That was like a really big one. It's from the founders like of that. So you can buy things in game. Wax is a decentralized platform enabling anyone for a virtual marketplace. So I think this one, you guys, if it goes back up to that all-time high of 276, we can see, $3. We can see a 2x, 3x gain on Wax easily. So that is definitely a good one to watch at 90 cents. That's a 3x opportunity if it goes to $3 when the market goes back to $800 billion. So definitely keep an eye on that one. That one's good. I want to kind of brush through these ones so we can look at different ones here. Steem is another one we should be looking at. Steem is $6.13 right now. If you guys want to look right here of where Steem's been, you can come over here on CoinMarketCap. It's been up to $7.89. I mean, there's like a dollar opportunity. I think Steem is just, it's pretty stable. Like it's gone down to $3.30. That's when you should have bought it. Right now is not a good time to buy, but if it gets past $4, if the market drops again, that would be a good buy. But this one has a lot of potential, guys, going in there. Steem is just huge. Everyone uses Steem. Look at Steem is a blockchain reward for publishers to monetize and grow the community. We all know a lot about Steem. It can be launched by anyone to help monetize content and create incentives to encourage user behavior. There's just a lot going on. It's basically an algorithm. It promotes a blockchain designed to tokenize the content web. Steemit, a social network that pays its community. Steemit is a blogging platform. I'm actually going to make a Steemit pretty soon, but this is just, if you guys like Steemit, this is definitely not going anywhere. This is a long-term hold. We probably will see, like, if you guys look at the market cap right now, it's at $1 billion. We have a circulating supply of 264 million. It's not in the billions. We could definitely see in the future when the market bounces back a $25, $30 Steem, maybe even a $50 at the end of 2018 if the market, shoots up again really high. So Steem is definitely a really good one to watch. I think that's a great one. I just did a video on Salt recently. I think this is a really good one to watch. And Salt is, where are we at? It's at $8.21 if you want to look at the market and where it's been. Again, we've seen definitely some all-time highs right here of $17, and at $8 right there, I mean, that's a 2x opportunity when it goes back up, 3x possibly. I think this one will hit like $25, $30 when the market bounces back. $8 is a little high. We probably want to buy if we can get one of these dips right here. If the market bounces back down to like, where is it right here? All right, we're at $7.20. Yeah, probably about like $7. Anything under $7, guys, I would definitely buy up some Salt. And let's kind of take a look at some other ones in the market. Let me just get out of this point. I kind of want to look at Funfair and Ripple, and another one is Stellar Coin. Those ones are good. Ripple hasn't had like a lot going on right like recently. It's still a top number 3 coin at $1.23. And this one will definitely go back up to 380. We've seen the partnerships happening. There's a lot going on with Ripple. A lot of people don't like it because it's like they say XRapid is used by the banks, but we can make money off of it. If you swing trade, if you're doing something with it, Ripple is definitely a good opportunity. It's been pretty stable, guys. Not a lot's been happening in the last 7 days. If you want to look at it, it's basically a stable chart. I mean, we saw some dips right here to like 116. Then it came back up to 121. 123. Look at, not a lot's been happening from January 26th to January 27th. Look at 142. I mean, at 120, I would get this if it drops down to like 110. Obviously that 90 cents might not happen again if we get 115, but we can definitely see a 3x opportunity with Ripple. And let's look at Ripple's competitor, Stellar, which has even faster transaction times. Okay, Stellar is a pretty good coin. I've talked about it a lot, and it's at 6 cents right now. If you look on the 3-month, I'll just show you guys how high it's been. So if you look right here, it's been at 89 cents, and at 6 cents right now, that could be a huge opportunity. We know that this one has had some serious dips. Look at 32 cents, 42 cents on January 22nd. Now it's shot back up to 62 cents, not 6 cents. So basically, this one I think will hit 89 cents. I think it will do good again. If you guys want to look what they do again, it's just like Ripple. Look at move money across borders, quickly, reliable, like a penny, cross-border payments. I've been trying to like watch the news on this one and make sure it's been doing good. A team of top technology and finance professionals to expand their services. This one will do good in the future, guys. We will probably see. I think this one will go over $1, 2x opportunity, probably $1.50 when the market at the end of 2018, maybe even $2. This one has a lot of potential, so definitely look at Steem. Another one I want to look at is Substratum. And Substratum, I'm going to do a video on it because it's such a good coin. If you look right here, it's $1.20. I think Substratum saw an all-time high of, I forgot what the all-time high was. We'll look at it right now. Substratum, we were up here at $3.02. Now it came all the way to $1.15. This is going to 2x for sure, guys. Substratum, it's basically you run a program on your computer, and then you get paid. You run their program, and you get paid tokens. They're still kind of releasing their platform. They're going to prove it's going to kind of do the proof of use. So I'm waiting to see this so I can start running it on my computer. But the sky's the limit for them. They have their market cap's pretty good, $254 million right now. That's not bad. They have a relatively low supply. Basically, I think this is like a 40x opportunity, 50x opportunity. This one, the sky is the limit, guys, and this is why. Because Substratum is like one of the best coins to watch if you guys are watching coins right now. We are the foundation of a decentralized web. Substratum is an open source that allows anyone to allocate spare computing resources to make the internet free for the entire world. So you basically run their program, this is their beta, and then you get paid in Substratum. Everyone who runs Substratum gets paid via cryptocurrency each time they serve content. It's easy to participate. So they're going to basically like take away dictators in places like China because they're trying to decentralize their own web, and you're going to run it through your computer. And it's kind of decentralized here, how it works. Users and business individual groups wish to host sites, databases, and applications on their network. Lets users run nodes and forward content to their hosts, paying them. Allows sites and Substratum networks to process payments. It's just a really good technology, guys. I'm going to do a video on it so you can see more on it in my next video. But I think this one has great opportunity. That one's a really good one to watch. So we will kind of keep an eye on that. And then this is a red coin. A lot of people are into this one right now. It's at 1 cent. And if you look at, let's look at the 3-month on it. And I know this one had an all-time high of, I want to say it was like 3 cents. And right now we are at 1 cent. So, I mean, there's going to be some opportunity on red coin going into the future. Let's look at the 1 month. And I want to show you kind of what this coin's all about. It's sitting at 1 cent because there's like a large supply of it. Decentralized digital currency. Reddit is a social currency that enriches people's social lives and makes digital currency easy for the general public. Redcoin achieves this by integrating a digital currency platform seamlessly with all major social networks and makes sending and receiving money fun and rewarding for everyone. So they have a good roadmap. It looks like they have a good team behind them. I think this coin will do very well. At 1 cent, guys, it's still a great buying opportunity. It's up right now. But, if this goes down to like 0.5 cents, look at 3, you could have 2x your money right here on this one. I think this one will definitely bounce back with the market. So Redcoin is a good one to follow. That's one I would follow. And there's a couple other ones I want to show you. Funfair, that was another one that I was looking at. So Redcoin, keep in mind. Funfair, it's up right now at 0.10 cents. I know we've seen a lot, some stuff going on with this. Funfair was, I think back, trying to remember, Funfair was, I think 19 cents was the all-time high. And like a couple days ago, it was like 11 cents. Let me look back right now. So Funfair I've been kind of keeping an eye on. Yeah, look at 18 cents. And then it went down on January 27th today to 10 cents. This one will definitely have like a 2x, 3x opportunity on here. Funfair is kind of, I think it's like the casinos or harnessing power to revolutionize the online casino industry. So this one will do good. That one's a really good one to watch at Steem it. And then the next one I want to show you guys is ETHEREUM. Their ICO did pretty good for a while. My friend made a lot of money on this one. I think they went up to 20 cents, I believe. Yeah, their all-time high was 20 cents. Let's take a look at it right now. So these are all ones to invest in if you guys are looking into investing in coins and you're on my channel. And make sure you guys are getting into mining if you're going to do this, because it'll help you save a lot of money. Look at 18 cents right here. Let's try to get on the 1 month so I can get higher onto it. Let's look at some of these highs. Look at that high right there, 20 cents. Now we are down to 11 cents. This one will probably hit 2-3x opportunity. ETHEREUM is really popular, guys. The ICO did really well. A lot of people made money on it. ETHEREUM is a mobile cryptocurrency, simple to use, powered by an app. So it's all powered by an app. They have a lot of things going on. There's Duncan Logan. I've been looking at his Twitter. It's doing pretty good. Cryptocurrency industry is the most revolutionized. So this is just this just shows how they use it. It's one of the largest token sales by user numbers of all time. Our token sales have reached that. Easiest cryptocurrency to manage. Our cryptocurrencies, you can do it all. You can basically mine through your phone. I like that. Super secure, unhackable offline wallets. It's on a lot of exchange listings. Cryptopia, I don't really like. They've actually taken people's money before. So I'm kind of like, recently I learned that one's not good. But Binance, HitBTC is good. Bitfinex, here's their founders. Yeah, so this ETHEREUM is going to be a good one into the future, guys. Steem it. Let's look at ARK for the last one here. Remember, I wanted to look at ARK because ARK was at an all-time high of $10. It was like $7 a few days ago. Now it's at $6. This one is a 2x opportunity. So if you say if you put $500 in here and the market goes up to $800, you just made $1,000. So this could be a really good one. And if you guys don't know what ARK is, we will take a look at it together. Okay, here's ARK right now. All-in-one blockchain solutions, point-and-click blockchain. ARK provides users and startups with innovative blockchain technologies. We aim the entire system, link chains, virtual, spiderweb, endless, highly flexible. It's just like a really good technology, a wallet for everyone. They have their own operating system built in, full HD wallets. I just think the technology on this one's good. I've looked at it before. Their roadmap's good. This one will I think it will hit $10, $15 in 2018. So ARK, I would definitely check out. Is there some other ones I want to show you? Here's a little sleeper one coming out. I think it's called Inventus. I saw some other people looking at this earlier. And it's up $4, but it has a low market cap. Look at Look at this right here, guys. 10 million in supply, 6 million in circulating supply, lower than Bitcoin. $27 million market cap. That's pretty good. Let's take a look at the all-time high here. So here's an all-time high of $6, and now we are at $5 or $4. So this one right here, I think could hit. This one might do good in the future. And as we look at their website, they have like a really good website. This is kind of one of the sleeper ones that is coming up right now. I think this one could come up. And a powerful blockchain solution for your ticket sales. They're basically trying to take over the ticket sales for like saying that people get scalped all the time. So now that you can confirm them, Inventus is building an open source standard ticket for blockchain that lets you control your ticketing life cycles. They have a good roadmap. They have a beta coming out. They say their full release is in Q2. They're trying to get rid of these counterfeiting and technical ones. Looks like they have a pretty good team behind them. You can come check it out. I would definitely buy into this one right here. If I was, I'm not going to buy into it right now, but I'm going to wait till it dips a little bit. But I would buy in if it hits anything below $4. I think, this one hasn't gone up too much, but, it basically with the technology, I think it could go up to like $10. It could be a 2x one. Just kind of a random little sleeper. So that one's a really good one. And another one, let's take a look at TerraCoin. No, I want to take a look at one more. Let's take a look at Verge, guys. Here's Verge right here. All right, so here's Verge right here. We have it at 0.09 cents. And I know Verge had a high of 28 cents. So at it was 10 cents a few days ago. So already, guys, at 30 cents, there's a 2x opportunity, 3x opportunity when the market bounces back. At a $2 trillion market cap, we'll see Verge over $1. Why is Verge good? Well, we'll take a look at their website, and I'll show you some stuff right now. Secure, anonymous, private. Here's their mission is to empower people around the world to bring blockchains daily, completely anonymous, excellent support from the community, ultra-fast transactions, active development team, ready for mass adoption. Really good utility here, guys. Make sure the utility is good. You want to make sure there's good advisors on the team. You want to make sure the community is doing good. And Verge is doing just that. So I would definitely invest in Verge. Let's take a look at just the market in general right now. Again, I don't know why I keep going back. I'm looking at so many different currencies. The whole market's off. But here we go. Ethereum has stayed pretty stable. If you guys are going to invest in like a coin that's make it as your store of value, Ethereum is really good. Obviously, Bitcoin's good too, but Ethereum has remained around 1,000. There hasn't been much changing in it. It's just like one of the most stable ones for your holding your value, guys. And if you don't want to, Bitcoin's been going up and down a lot. We look at Ethereum right here. Just look at it, hasn't changed a whole lot. You get 1,400, 1,000, and 1,095. So basically, not much change on here. It stayed around 1,000. Hasn't dipped below 1,000. Really good store of value. Ripple, I think, is going to go up. Bitcoin Cash is going to get used on a lot more exchanges. I think we are going to see a lot more with Bitcoin Cash. Probably, hit that $4,000 mark again, 5,000 in when the market bounced back to 800 million. I think we'll see 4,000. I think it's going to go to probably like $5,000 to $6,000 at the end of 2018. So Bitcoin Cash, that could be like a 4x, 3x opportunity. 4 to 3, or probably 3 to 4x opportunity. Bitcoin Cash is going to be used instead of Bitcoin a lot more and more. It's already being used on BITCLUB network. So they're going to start paying people in Bitcoin Cash the value in USD to avoid, people, getting these huge transaction fees on Bitcoin. Right now, I think it was like $15 to send Bitcoin. So if you're getting paid in Bitcoin Cash, you're gonna be able to use it on BitPay debit cards. You're gonna be able to use it on Coinbase, all these different ones. BitClub Network, they have 300,000 members. They're coming out with it. And if you guys want to get into mining, mining's not going to go away. It's basically I'm gonna ride the Bitcoin till it goes out. Till the computing. Right now the computing power, it gets harder and harder. With BitClub, you repurchase into more mining pools that challenge that basically mine that they're going to keep compounding and keep mining. When you just buy hash power with Genesis and these other cloud mining ones, you're not actually, compounding into a new 1,000-day pool and a new 1,000-day pool where you can keep earning indefinitely. With BitClub Network, you will earn indefinitely. You have to pay $100 for a Bitcoin membership to go into it, and $500 is the Bitcoin first pool. But off this $500 pool, so it's like a $600 investment, you can potentially mine this one because you get more 1,000-day contracts. You can mine this one, and then you can become a founder. And I actually have a couple screenshots I'll show you of what it looks like. So every time you're mining and you're doing that compounding, you can set to 100% earning, or that 50%, which automatically happens for you no matter what. But this is what it looks like right here. You get rid of that. You start getting shares, another 750 days, another 750 days. This is all off pool one. Another one, 896 days, another one, 1,000 days. These are new 1,000-day pools every time off that original one. So, you literally will mine for life, but you want to become a founder so you can unlock more earning potential. And they also have, if you look on, this is blockchain.info. You can go look on it right now. BitClub Network owns 3.5%. It fluctuates a lot, but about 3.5% of all the Bitcoin mined. So it's probably the best cloud mining platform to join. They actually put a rig in your name. They have the best compensation plan where you can you get bonuses for your shares and people coming in. Every time you do referrals, you get basically it's like you get it just keeps growing in perpetuity. So like people sign up people, you get like paid for it. That's really nice. There's also, if you look right here, here's how the mining looks. You just get received these like infinity bonuses all the time off your referrals, off your mining. They just come in all day, guys. It's like one of the best ones to receive for commissions, for mining, and it's just this is probably the best one if you want to mine Bitcoin and start investing in all these other altcoins, and then eventually compound your earnings. You can set it from 1 to 100, and become a founder and start, like once you become a founder, you start like earning a lot more than normal, but you can mine indefinitely with these. It's probably the best mining platform there is. They also have these Ethereum contracts. It says no repurchasing, but they didn't update their website yet. They actually, you can mine Ethereum, Zcash, those are private C ones. Here's the GPO founder pool. I would get your guys self to become a founder, but if you don't have $500, if you don't have $3,000, just come in at this $100 pool. It's a $100 membership for life, but definitely work your way up by compounding that repurchase rule. You can either do the 50% one or set it, set 500 days at 100% repurchasing, go into the next mining pool, the next one, and start getting into it immediately, because a lot of my coins that I'm investing into with Neblio, with Tron, all these Ripple giveaways, I'm doing it through BITCLUB Network. If you guys look right here, here's BITCLUB Network, and let's just look at their facility in Iceland. They have like a huge facility that you can go visit. They are the highest paying, guys. Look at here's their facility right here. They have like a whole facilities full of these things where you're joining. People go and visit all the time, like all the time. You can type it in watch BITCLUB Network visiting. Like people go visit, like all the members go and visit. Look at all these people. They go and visit all the time and get to see it in person. You go look right here. You can see some of their factories, but it's just one of the best ones to mine. Here's them at the facility. All these people that have become founders that go up there and go check it out. So that's why I promote BITCLUB, guys, because I think that in investing in these altcoins, it's risky, but if you're getting paid in Bitcoin on the daily and with BITCLUB Network, you can mine in perpetuity. You'll keep getting these new 1,000-day contracts. If you set your repurchasing, you'll keep compounding. With Bitcoin, if you go to Bitcoin, I'll just show you guys something right now just so you can see. The mining difficulty always increases. So like if your machine all of a sudden runs out, then all of a sudden if you have more shares, then you keep investing into more mining pools, then you're never going to run out. You're always going to be compounding, guys. Look at right here. Here's the difficulty on hash rate on Bitcoin mining. So if you come here and take a look at this, you can see right here that the difficulty increases as all these people start mining Bitcoin. So you have to be compounding. You have to be compounding your earnings and investing into more pools and more equipment, because it gets harder and harder to mine. But we should, this is printing our own money, guys. Like when you mine Bitcoin, it's a no-brainer. Getting into BITCLUB Network and investing in these other altcoins with money that you make every day, this is the way to do it. This is the way we're going to make money for life. So get your guys in. It's a $600 investment for BITCLUB Network. A $100 membership to join. You got to send some Bitcoin over, and then you got to get one of these pools for $500. If you're in the U.S., use ANONYMOX. That's how it's spelled for Google Chrome. It's an IP switcher. It takes about 2 minutes to download, and that's all you got to do. All right, guys, happy trainings. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I'm going to do way more giveaways, way more live streams. I'm going to show you guys how to make money for life with Bitcoin out of legit companies, not ones that are scams. And that's it, guys. Crypto Patrick here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys put a comment down below and keep the conversation going. What altcoins do you like? What do you invest in? What do you guys think is going to happen in 2018? Let me know, and then hit me up on Facebook if you have any questions about mining or if you need any help. All right, peace.